All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I gave you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know.
Hi guys, do you know that since the morning that since I got up, I've been able to do laundry and have breakfast. But then I just got a delivery from Lily's Empire on Instagram. I ordered this about 2 weeks ago, or even 3 weeks at this point, because I've been posting them, for delivery, like when to come and deliver and all of that, or if I would do pick up. But eventually, it got delivered to me by the CEO herself. So I ordered this jean pair. So this is a jean like one short, like guys. I've been looking for something like this. I used to have something like this years ago, and I kind of outgrew it. And these are the only type of shorts that actually look good on me. So I like to go for things that actually fit me. And one thing I love about her, this is the second shorts I'm getting from her. She's very good with shorts, like she picks really nice shorts. Little gift here. I'm actually thinking of filming my life of the video today. Since today is Saturday and I'm home. A whole lot. I'm actually supposed to go and see my sister today. The life of the video has to go up this Sunday. That's tomorrow. So I think I should just film it and get it out of the way so that I can focus on other things. By the way, if you're new here and you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, all the good stuff that I do here on YouTube. I'm a lifestyle content creator. What's cooking, guys? Come cook native soup with me. I woke up craving this so bad, and I know that I need to eat it that very day. If not, I'm gonna run mad. Jokes. So I previously parboiled like pepper sauce and all of that with this, so I don't think I wanted to wash the pot again. I just put in some water, added all the necessary more so that I can start cooking up, and I added some oil, added my dry fish, and then I had to go in with a different type of fish as well, just for extra flavors and stuff. Then I began to season it with my bouillon cubes. I'm using not bouillon cubes. That's the best bouillon cubes in Nigeria. I'll give it to your ancestors. I added some ofo to this, and you guys, this ofo is very tricky. You have to be very careful. You can use either ofo or achi, but I prefer ofo. Then I added some crayfish. When cooking soup, always be generous with crayfish. I know a lot of people don't like crayfish, but I love it. So I'm going to add some ice fish to this. By then the soup has thickened up a bit because I don't want the fish to get scattered, so I'm just going to stir it lightly, and then I'm going to go ahead to add other things like periwinkle. I don't know why people don't like periwinkle. Anyways, I added periwinkle. I added some uziza to this. Uziza has this minty spicy flavor it also gives. I love it, guys. This soup banged, like it really banged, and I wish you guys can try it out. If you've not made native soup before, this is how you make it, and let me know. I feel like I missed some other things, but check out my plating now. Ushe, eating good. All right.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipped my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my first thing. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I gave you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in the shadow space. Guess I never.
Hi guys, I don't know why my face like. I wonder why I'm looking so dry because I just came out of the shower. I'm getting ready. I have a couple of places I need to be at today. Let me tell you guys about this cream. This cream is called High Time Bump Stopper -2, something like that. Basically, it's for bump treatment. But I used to have bumps because of my under chin hairs, and I've been using this for like 6 months. I only use it every time that I shave. Once I'm done shaving, I just take little and apply to the areas for like 3 days, and you guys, zero bump. It doesn't lighten the dark spots, but it won't let you have bumps. Do you get? The only time I get bumps is if I change my razor or stuff like that, because guys, I don't actually wax my chin. I stopped waxing my chin a long time ago. So yeah, but I want to go back to waxing hopefully next year. So if you want to get it, you can screen grab. I recently switched to this Nivea body care cream. I don't think I've told people, but I added some baby oil inside here, and I think I like it. My skin, it's not that bad. It's okay, just like dries out really quick. I feel like next year I want to change my fashion style, like to something else, like something more mature, get into like proper ready to wear. I don't know, but I feel like it'll make me look really old because of obviously I'm on the big side, but I'm considering it. I don't know if I should do, you guys think, but I want next year's style to be giving mature, because guys, I'm actually going into late 20s. Like, what the hell? I can't even imagine it, guys. I don't want to think about the age that I'm turning next year. I really don't want to think about it, but I mean, I think that's life. I just need to get used to it, that man, this is the age you're going to be next year. I want to always remain a baby girl, because of that, guys. I recently got a trim. The last hair I did, I got a trim before I did it. The tip of my hair wasn't growing anymore, so I had to get that done. I really had to stop halfway. I was planning to wear a bucket hat, but it wasn't working out, so I'm just going to go out looking like this with my hair. And yeah. Hi guys, currently the heat in Nigeria is something else. Like, it's so hot. If you're familiar, around November, December is when we start the Hamatan, so everywhere is so freaking hot. I'm not even happy about it. Anywho, I just wanted to end this vlog. My friend was around. She came in for a few days here, and you know, she's left now, and I'm left alone and all that stuff. I'm heading to work. I'm currently watching a series called Smart Money Woman. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I'm watching the season 2 because I did watch season 1, and you guys, that series is dope. It's one of the Nigerian series that I really love, and I feel like everyone should watch because there's so much to learn on financial decisions, on friendship. There's a whole lot that you can learn out of it. So if you've not watched it, please go watch it. And it's even easier now. The season 2 is on YouTube, so you can easily just, you know, binge watch. Anywho, I'm heading to work. Like I said, today's Thursday. I put myself together. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Nothing serious, just this tee, black pants, palazzo pants, black palazzo pants, and this jacket over it, because you know, yeah, this one for them. Guys, the heat is crazy. Anywho, I want to say I don't take you guys to my workplace, privacy reasons, but yeah, hope you guys are good. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in another vlog. Bye.